Hey everyone, Simone from Sassool here. During the month of January, we promote the Sassool 500. This is a collection of different healthy combinations that you can order at the restaurant, whether grill items, pick fours, pick threes, or even snack combinations. We have lots of fun with it, and we also like to share a lot of healthy tips and some quick recipes too. So today, we're gonna be showing you how to make my favorite healthy dip, baba Ghanouj. We'll show you how we go from making it in huge production in the restaurant to how you can make it at your home, in your kitchen. I hope you enjoy. When we grill the eggplants at the restaurant, we use the entire char grill. We flip the eggplants once after they start to wilt. The char grill and the flames creates this nice smoky taste in the baba Ghanouj. Once we remove the eggplants from the grill after about an hour, it's time for the tedious task of removing the skin. We then collect all of the insides of the eggplants and let them strain for about an hour. Now all that eggplant pulp goes into our huge food processor. Of course, along with a few other key ingredients like olive oil, tahini, salt, garlic whip, and lemon juice. Having really smooth baba Ghanouj is very important to us at Sassool, so blending it enough is a very crucial step. Each batch that we prepare for the restaurants is over 40 pounds. We sell a lot of baba Ghanouj each day from both locations. Now that's the process we do in our restaurant to go from eggplant to display case ready. Let's talk about what you would do to make baba Ghanouj at home. You'll need to start by grilling the whole eggplants on a char grill or, like I like to do, over a fire. It creates that nice smoky flavor that can't be replicated otherwise. And just like in the restaurant, once one side of the eggplant becomes wilted, go ahead and flip it. Remove the eggplants from your grill once they are very soft and completely wilted. And if you can, save any juice that releases from the eggplant. You can use this if your baba Ghanouj is not thin enough when processing. If you grill the eggplant enough, the skin should come off pretty easy. Also, don't stress too much if a little bit of skin is left on the eggplant pulp. This will just add extra flavor. We're now ready to blend with the other ingredients. Just like in the restaurant recipe, we have tahini, the eggplant, olive oil, salt, lemon juice, and garlic. The garlic cloves go in first, followed by salt. You'll process these together and release the juices of the garlic. Time to add the olive oil, tahini, eggplant pulp, and lemon juice, and then blend it until very smooth. Your baba ganoush can either be stored in the refrigerator for about 5 days, or you can serve it immediately. When you plate it up, flatten the baba ganoush onto the serving dish, and then add some greenery or some kind of other colorful vegetable to create a color pop. And always finish with olive oil. I hope you enjoyed this demo. You can find the recipe in the description. See you at Sasul.